Hi, I'm Mattias Adolfsson and I'm an illustrator. I work with clients such as the New York Times, the Hollywood Reporter and the New Yorker. I also collaborated with the animation studios such as Disney, Nickelodeon and Cartoon Networks. I'm best known for my doodle illustrations, and now I'm focusing more on my private work, which you can find all over the internet and in my books. With pen, ink and watercolors, I create intricate machinery and illustrated characters. Most often on a small scale with 3 perspectives. They're part of busy, elaborate scenes with lots of things happening at the same time. At a quick glance, you see an interesting and complete piece. But if you look closer, you will find a world of unexpected details filled with humor and whimsy. To achieve this, I spent countless hours playing with tension, color, proportions, among other concepts. In this Domestika course, you will learn techniques to develop drawings filled with details and life. For the final project, you will create a drawing that gets more interesting the closer you look. Perfect for an audience with a 20/20 vision. To begin, I will start showing the materials we will be using in the course. Then I will show you how to choose a real space as a starting point for your illustration. After, you will choose the theme and write a list what you want to incorporate in the final piece. For the next step, we will collect some reference that will help us with the sketching. We will take a pencil and plan out the composition and perspectives. Then I will show you how to map out all the details you want to incorporate. After that, we will complete the full-size pencil sketch and start the inking process. I will also explain how to add shadows and create depth. Finally, we will color the piece using watercolors. Lastly, we will scan the image and use Photoshop to add some final touches. By the end of this course, you will know how to draw detailed, figurative scenes telling many stories at once. To follow my steps, some rudimentary knowledge about perspectives and drawing is required. You will also need paper, ink, pens, watercolors, brushes, rulers and erasers. Let your imagination speak loudly and create many words in one illustration.